So here's problem 42. It asks you to find the inverse. Right, when you're looking for the inverse of this, the steps that you follow, whether you're going from given this exponential form or whether you're given the log form, which I'll do in the next problem, your steps are the same. Step 1, what you're going to do is you're going to exchange the x and the y. So there's our first step. Okay, we just replace the x with a y and y with an x. Okay, step 2. This is an optional step. This is one where it doesn't always happen, but you are going to look to isolate the term that contains the y. Okay, so in this particular case, in order to isolate this term that has a y in it, we need to add 3 to both sides. So you get x plus 3 is equal to 2y. Okay, the final step then is to rewrite your equation so it's in the form y equals. And the way that you do that is to change the form of the equation. So in this particular case, we're moving from exponent into logarithmic form, but we may move from log to exponential form. Okay, so that's the final step. So our final step right here is we're going to rewrite this as a log. The way that you write it as a log is the base of your log is the same as the base of your exponent. So the base of our exponent is 2. So we're going to write this log base 2. And now think about the way that this works. So it's easier to describe changing from a log to an exponent. And the way that you do that is you take the base of your log, which is 2, to the power of whatever's on the other side. So here we have to the power of y, so that goes on the other side. And then we're going to put in our exponential form, that whole thing is equal to whatever is inside the log. So this x plus 3 winds up getting moved inside the log. And so this would be the form of the inverse for that problem.